Hey my beauties, today we are creating this scarecrow look. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Des. I'm active daily on IG and you can look forward to seeing more videos from me. Also, please don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon to stay notified when I post. We're going to start with a black liner. I'm using the Suvabeauty hydraliner in grease. It's water activated so it glides on easily with a thin brush dipped into water first. As you can see, I'm sketching out the petals around the crease. I will continue to do this technique all the way around my eye until the rose is as big as I'd like. I'm so sorry that my camera cut off shortly after this clip, so I didn't get to capture how I completed the outline of the rose. So for the petal technique, I tried drawing different shapes, different petals each time. Try making a curvy half circle or a loose S shape. And right here, I was able to capture at least the final touches of the rose. Now using a burgundy shade, I will be shading the inner part of each petal. I liked this specific color because it's like a dark, deep burgundy. It's the Makeupgeek and Manny MUA palette collaboration in the shade Mars. Make sure to leave space on the outer edge of each petal for the next shade that we'll be using. So this is a red shimmery shade that is in a no-name palette, and I'm just going to be adding that to the outer edge of each petal. I will also be adding that shimmer color from my inner corner of my lid to the middle of my lid and then blending it outwards. Using a black shadow, I'll be using it as my liner and making it thicker at the outer edge. On my lid, I applied the Toofaced glitter glue and then applied the Venom Cosmetics glitter over top. I did use a fan brush because it helps apply the product more spread out instead of more compact. Using the Urban Decay glitter liner, I'm going to be tracing over the petals, staying inside the petal just to give it a little bit more dimension or shine or whatever. Now for my other eye, I'm using the same shadows, starting with the shade Mars in the crease and blending it out. So as you can see, this is a really straight to the point video. I'm not trying to drag anything out. I hope you guys like this video still. It was originally intended for Instagram, and those videos are really quick and straight to the point. But it turned out to be a little bit longer, so I decided, what the heck, I'll put it on YouTube. But I hope you guys enjoy this either way. Now adding black to the outer edge and then blending it out and going back and forth with the Mars and the black shade, and then just kind of deepening up that outer crease. Please let me know down below what kind of videos you would like to see next. If you want something more descriptive, something more beginner style, or Halloween suggestions. Yeah, I would definitely love to hear your guys' feedback. Just let me know and I would be more than happy to film it. Alright, so now we're going to cut the crease, and I am using concealer. I really like the e.l.f. concealer for this at the moment. Tarte Shape Tape is also really good. I'm just going to cut the crease, fill it in, try to blend it into that deeper crease, and then I'm going to over top apply that red shimmer shade that we had applied on the other eye. So now I'm going to do the same steps I did on the other eye, which is using a black shadow as my liner, and then going over top with the Too Faced glitter adhesive, and then with the glitter over top of that. I do come back in and I sharpen up the shadow liner with an actual liquid liner, just to make it look a little more cleaned up, because the glitter did have a little bit of fallout. For this look, I decided to go with a nude lip. I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics liquid liner in True Brown K, and then using the lipstick by MAC in Velvet Teddy. Over top, I'm going to put Pure Zen, also from MAC. Now for my Scarecrow mouth, I'm going to be using the Suvabeauty Hydraliner in Grease again. And yeah, I'm just going to be drawing out these lines. Also, don't forget to go over your beauty marks if you have any. Of course, this look would not be complete without a hat. What is the Scarecrow without a hat? And voila, we're done. Thank you, beauties, so much for watching. I hope you get a chance to try this out. Please let me know what you would like to see next, and I will see you next time. Bye.